Alright, I got a lot of little fun stuff today. Start with this. Got a OEM Fairlady Z badge. The Japanese market one. I found this for significantly less on eBay, and you want to make sure if you're trying to get one of these that it doesn't have the studs on the back of it, because then it won't just sit flush on your car. There's two different ones, and you got to make sure you get this smooth back one for the new Z. And let's see what's in here. Let's dump this out. So, these are our Z1 high pressure caps. The Z has, I believe, 3 of these. I ordered 4. I think I got an extra one, but I think there's only 3. I think I bought one too many. But those are nice. It's crazy to me that there's so many of these caps in there, but that's how they did it. And we want to match everything. What is this? This is hardware for the heat exchanger that we opened up yesterday. I bundled it in the same bag with these. Make sure I don't lose those. What do we got here? Don't know. Oh wait, I think I know what it is because I had 6 of these boxes. Yeah, these are the high-powered ignition coils. Very nice. So we've got 6 of these. They'll be going in the car as well from Z1. Very nice. Very, very nice. Put that over there. This is coolant neck. Also from Z1. I never changed this out on my Z, so I don't know if this is just a recommendation for what they found on the Infinity platform that was already using this engine, but it's a little recommended part for coolant flow. So I wanted to go ahead and grab it while I'm doing everything else. This is going to require me messing with the coolant system. I might as well do this too. A little bit of trash inside it, but it's a sharp little part. Z1 got their branding on it. Looks cool, looks nice. I'll wrap all this up after. This is just the, I got this no spill oil funnel for when we do our oil changes. It's pretty fancy. I did realize though on the new oil jugs, it has like a real nice pull out spout on it already. So this is just kind of for even more extra precautions. Trying to not make a mess when I do any refills. Package that one back up later too. Alright, this is cool. These are I purchased them through Z1, but they're ZSpec design hardware kit. And I went with the stage 2. Let me see if I can find a good one with the color. I debated back and forth on multiple colors, and in the end I ended up just going with titanium coloring. All the hardware is titanium as well, but this has the burnt coloration to it already. I thought about red, I thought about gold, blue, a few different colors, but I'm not really doing any of that on the outside of the car, so I was worried having that much red or gold or something under the hood just would look kind of out of place. The car will have hints of titanium burnt in areas on the exhaust and some other areas that I haven't got yet. So I think this will all tie in well together. And this is a really nice kit here. I had never ordered any of their stuff before. But each bag is labeled where they're gonna go, and it's gonna be, I think, pretty easy to get all the hardware swapped out under the hood. Pretty cool. If you like stickers, it's got a little sticker. But yeah, I mean, look at all that. I don't remember exactly how many pieces it was, but it was a lot of pieces. It doesn't say anywhere on this, but yeah, that's gonna be a fun, that's probably gonna take a whole weekend day to get all this stuff swapped out, maybe longer. Look at that, it's even got throttle body fasteners. Like, that's awesome. And that's it. Got some more stuff still to unbox, and probably more things coming, and just piling everything up. And eventually we'll get to some installs. I almost forgot. We also got the ZSpec oil cap in silver with titanium fasteners. So that's gonna look good under the hood too. Oh, one more thing. I've ordered so much stuff I can't remember everything that I've gotten. No, that's not it. Where is it? Oh, it's in this. Every little detail matters. So even as simple as this little guy, that just goes on the end of the oil dipstick, but it's gonna look real nice in there with the Z on it. Nice shiny titanium. All those little details, when the car is all complete and together, are gonna add up. All right, now I'm done.